In today's tip of the day, I want to talk about making time for your training and staying consistent. Check out the time behind me. That's 1:30 in the a.m. Pitch black out there, guys. I don't always train at 1:30 in the morning, but today just was that day. I've got 3 kids at home, 1 in college. So between running a business, talking with you guys on social media, continuing to put out new content and articles and videos, and running my kids all over the city to all their events, 1 a.m. was what it had to be today for me to get my training in. So I'm going to hit the weights. I'm going to do my hit sprints and tear up the city while the rest of the city sleeps. Because I do what it takes to get it done. Do you? Stop looking for excuses, and I'll show you where to find all the answers. Start following me on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. Don't forget my website, jimstepani.com. You'll never have an excuse again. Make the time, and I'll help you make it happen. Let's do this.